In this video, I'll show you how to send or reply to a message using the Telegram node. To get started, double-click on the canvas to open the search modal. From here, search for Telegram and select the Send or Reply Message node. Once selected, it gets added to your canvas. Now, double-click on the Telegram node to configure it. Before we add a connection here, there's one important step. You first need to create a Telegram bot. For that, go to Telegram and search for Bot Father. Make sure you select the official verified one. Start the bot and follow the steps to create a new bot. You'll need to give it a name, for example TC Messenger, and then a unique username. Once the bot is created, Bot Father will provide you with an API token. This token is important because it allows TinyCommand to communicate with Telegram. So copy this token. Now come back to your workflow, click on Add Connection, give it a name, and paste the API token you copied. Once added, your connection is ready. Now, let's configure the node. To send a message, the first thing you need is the chat ID. To find the chat ID of a group or a user, you can check the URL of that chat. The numbers at the end act as the chat ID. Copy the ID and paste it here. In some cases, especially for groups, you may need to prefix it with -100 to complete the chat ID format. Next is the text field. This is where you add the message you want to send or the reply you want to make. Then comes the message thread ID. If you want to reply to a specific message or thread, you can add the message ID here. Next is the pass mode. This controls how your message is formatted. You can choose between markdown or HTML. For this example, I'll go with markdown. Then you have options like disable notification and disable link preview. You can set these based on your use case. For now, I'll keep both as no. Once everything is configured, click on Save and Test. After the test runs, you'll see the status as success. You can also check your Telegram chat to confirm that the message has been sent or the reply has been posted. And that's how you send or reply to messages using the Telegram node. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.